Cub Master Wilson here with Miss Donna, and we're going to show you how to fold the flag. For those of you who missed last week, we learned to do this. It's an important privilege that us Scouts have. So if you get a chance to pick up a flag or a banner, you can practice this at home and show me how good you are when we get to be back live. The first thing we're going to do when we fold the flag is we have to have two people, right? And the person over here with the stripes on this side is going to do the folding. And the person over there with the blue field, Miss Donna in this case, is going to do the holding. Now it's very important that Miss Donna hangs on to that flag because I need to pull this flag tight. And she can't let go of it, right? Because the first rule of the flag, of course, is we don't let it touch the floor. So,
or ground.
Or the ground, right. So I want to keep this tight. If this is sagging, I'm not going to get a nice fold, okay? So make sure that you have this tight. Grab it by both ends like this here, and we're going to lay it flat, and then we're going to fold it in half just like our bed sheets. And then we're going to take and grab the bottom. Then we're going to flip it over this way, right? Now if you notice, on the bottom is the blue field, right? That must be on the bottom in this first step, okay? So make sure that's on the bottom. If it's on the top, you've done it wrong and you're going to have to flip it over, okay? So blue field on the bottom, and then we're going to just fold it again just like we did the first time, just like this. And then we're going to pick it up. So now you can tell you've got this right because you can see that blue field right there. And you flip it up, you can see that blue field right there, okay? Now, the rest is kind of tricky with your hands, okay? So your hand here, you've got to hold your hand this way with the thumb on the bottom. I know this feels a little uncomfortable at first, but it's once you get used to, you'll do well, okay? So take your hand here and just hold it just like this on the bottom. So, and then this side, the same thing right here on the bottom. And then what that does is that lets you flip, okay? Because you're going to flip the flag. Otherwise, it doesn't quite jive, okay? So we're going to reach up about yay far, and we're going to grab the flag, and we're going to flip it over, and make sure that the bottom edge that was here, right, this edge here, flips over straight along, twist it, yeah, just a little bit so they can see. All right, right along the bottom of this part right here, okay? So it's going to make a triangle right here, and it's going to be straight across on that first flip, right? Just flip it right there. Then I'm going to take this hand, I'm going to hold it right here at this corner up here. And then I'm going to take this hand, I'm going to let go. I'm going to put my thumb out this way, I'm going to pick the flag up just like this, right here, and I'm going to pinch that. Right there, I'm going to keep it straight. So now I've got two pinches just like this. And I'm going to flip it again, straight up over this way. So now you can see it's going straight along this way. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to let go here. I'm going to reach up. I'm going to grab this right here. Thumb on the back. And then I'm going to turn this hand around. Put the thumb back on the back like this. So I've got it. Now I've got it nice and tight. You can see now at this point it's straight here. I've got a triangle here. And then I'm just going to flip it over again. And you can see now I've got it straight here. But I've got my angle here. So it's nice and tight. See, this is not sloping or anything. So I'm pulling nice and tight with the one hand and just holding it in place, right? So I can grab it here again, hold it tight, let that slide down. Now I can take my thumb and put it underneath the flag like this and pinch it. Just like that. So now I'm just going to repeat this process over and over again until I finish folding the flag. So it's going to come straight up this way. You're going to see now I've got a straight and a diagonal for my triangle. I'm going to bring this up here. My thumbs are at the back again. I'm going to flip it over. Okay? Again, I'm going to pinch it, pull up, put my thumb behind it, and flip it over again. And we're just going to keep on trucking right down the line. Remember, you must make sure this stays tight. If it doesn't, your flag is going to be too loose. Okay? And then we're just going to keep going, making sure those angles are nice and perfect, okay? And perfect. Now, we've got our triangle. We've just got a little bit left right here. So now we have to fold this in so it holds. What we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom corner, see where it's got the angle here? We're just going to fold that up into an angle, just like so, and then we're just going to tuck it in right there. Just like that. And then it's going to make a very nice little triangle. If you do it right, you're going to have just about like this, 2 stars and 4 stars on the bottom. And if you're really good at it, you get really good at it, you'll get to where you're not showing any red on any of the corners. Now this one, I didn't do it quite right. I've got me in the red strip here, a little red there, a little red, where else? No, that's it, just this. Okay, so it's really hard to do that, but that's the goal, is to get all the red out, okay? So that's folding the flag. I can't wait for you guys to show me how good you are at this. So give it a try and practice this. It's going to take a lot of practice, and you have to have 2 people. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.